to calculate 1 minus 0.5. 1 is a whole number, but this is a decimal number, so convert 1 as a decimal number. Just take decimal and write 0 according to your need. This number has one digit after decimal, so we have taken 1 0. Now line up the decimal. Now subtract. Forget about this decimal. This is ones column, this is tens column. So take away 5 from 0. You cannot do this from 0, so you need to borrow. For borrowing, go to next column. If you borrow 110, then you will have 0 10. 110 equal to 10 ones. Take away 5 from 10, you will have 5. Bring down this decimal, then 0 0, so 0. That is 0.5 is your answer.